Every minute is precious.
Yeah.
Max you're allowed is 15.
Mumbai traffic is very uncertain.
Thank you, Sydney, for paying the
Hey guys, Peter Dice reporting. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. So today it's time to leave.
vlog is back!
And only I'm leaving. Number 2, number 3. They all are staying here only because they are attending Coldplay concert tomorrow.
Twice.
The second time. That's only for the Instagram. But you all know the truth, guys.
For the group, legend go twice.
Yeah. Yo.
So she's going 5 times.
Our cab is here now. And where are we off to? Andheri East?
Okay.
There is
Andheri East.
update, I guess.
For some good and yummy food.
1152.
Okay. Change in plan 1152.
1522.
Whatever it is, but we're going for food. And then after that, the airport
We're going to food like till 24.
at 3:24.
Each at 4.
And then we have to rush. I don't know how much time we're gonna get there and sit over there and eat. I'm waiting for Sydney, the boy.
It's 1522. Sorry, guys.
ओ भाई मारो मुझे मारो
We're changing the name of the hotel.
So from yesterday's incident, what you have learned? Tell me, what have you learned?
Honesty, you can't trust anyone. Honestly, you can't trust anyone.
I feel in the entire.
But then there are some people who you can trust.
Yeah, but I feel mostly it's entire India you can just trust Goans. No one
that
else.
I
can't
think you
say-
can trust-
No, I've also met Goans who have betrayed me.
No, but at least like.
Royally betrayed me for.
I just know for a fact that, trust me, that
It's
y'all are gonna get
humanity.
hate now. By our Goans. Y'all are gonna get it.
I'm talking about human beings.
I've also met ones who have betrayed me.
Wherever you're from, you should have the humanity in you.
Yes.
Give the product. Whatever someone is paying, someone is waiting.
Deliver.
Don't, yeah, deliver in fact.
Honest, be I can't do.
Goa is money's pan aspas hai. You know,
Don't
people
be
should
like,
follow
you
that,
know,
bro.
oh,
When
I'm
we
not
say
going to run
humanity,
away with
no.
your parents.
Yeah.
Like, it was
Only
big
I
talk.
feel the humanity I've seen is just in Goans. More in Goans comparatively.
But I've seen in Indian.
वक्त बदल गया, जज्बात बदल गया ना से.
No, no, no. Goans,
And I've seen people how very like now we have paid when we were
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो
going to Kanyakumari.
Yeah. Zion, what do you want to say now? Yesterday you were the one who was very sad.
I'm sad still. I'm waiting. I still have hope.
Are you still didn't get your pass?
No.
भाई आपको कुछ कहने का है? Hi बोलो. So we just reached the restaurant now. We carried our luggage also because after this we'll be going to the airport directly. Flight at 8:55. So I'm at 8:50. They're at 8:55. Two separate flights. And the best part is, so that we don't waste time, we ordered food well in advance.
Susega life in Mumbai.
That's because we are smart. We have to what?
Not a minute waste.
Yeah.
Every minute is precious.
Yeah.
Max you're allowed is 15.
Mumbai traffic is very uncertain.
If you're friends with people like Sydney and Shashi, 15 minutes.
It looks nice and fancy from outside. Let's go inside and see now. Oh, nice. Whose recommendation was this? Okay, 1 point for you. We'll sit here better. Actually, a nice place. Very nice. So this is 1522. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Bro doesn't speak, but the moment he speaks, he'll use the F word all the time. So our mutton cutlet is here, and our boys are not here yet. But we'll still eat without them.
Yeah, because Sydney keeps having bath. Wasting our time.
Black the ticket.
Wow, very nice. Okay, so we're gonna cheers again now with my lime soda, please.
Cheers, cheers, cheers.
Cheers! La 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 la. Okay, retake. Cheers! La 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 la.
You get your mutton with a dice of lime.
The zesty one. The boys are back. Welcome back, bro.
Thank you so much.
No, but like, wow.
Your favorite is what? Nachos.
Yes, sir.
But this cheese is different. Oh, clap, clap. Wow.
Woo!
Subscribe for YouTube channel.
She.
Oh, shit, it's this.
Yay! Cheers! Cheers, bro. Ta-da!
My angles.
Always.
Priyanka has learned a lot.
You are coming with me. See them in Goa.
Thank you, Sydney.
Thank you, Sydney, for Coldplay.
Thank you, Sydney, for paying the
We'll use this video.
This guy scares us.
Thank you, Sydney. Your rating will be 5 from tomorrow.
Not even on.
It is
You scared me. You scared me again. The video wasn't on. Yeah. So thank you, Peter, for scamming us.
I didn't scam you intentionally, joking. I got scammed too, guys.
Calling us to Mumbai with full confidence.
Sydney, bro, come.
He needs a shoulder because he scammed me with the video also.
We're still recovering.
Still recovering.
Tomorrow they'll forget
You
about
come
this.
back, by the way, for our
Don't
party.
forget.
Yeah, come.
Me tomorrow.
Come back. Eh?
I wish I could. I can't. My work shit in the evening.
You're scamming us again. By not coming. Hello, Zebra man.
You can say today, no? Show them your face also. Turn and show them who's signing off today.
Signing out.
Bro.
Free. Tech trades.
Hello, guys. This is Karthik Khandeparkar reporting from Bangalore.
Oh,
He's scamming the crowd also. Our life is a scam. Mumbai has taught us to scam.
You enjoyed Coldplay without us yesterday.
It's
Room
not
की
only
खुशी
scams.
देखी नहीं जाती.
See you, bro. I'll say bye to everybody. Yeah, all of you keep saying Bangalore, Bangalore.
We've been scammed, so we've been scamming.
And now when you go back to Goa, you can say, what's your hobby? Getting scammed. Bro, see you, man. Yes. Bro, I'll see you all. Yes. Okay, guys, so I'm leaving because I'm at Terminal 2 and they're at Terminal 1. Oops, he's already here. I kept you waiting for at least 10 minutes now. Oh, bhaiya. Lot of traffic over here. Bhaiya, मेरे को आगे बैठने का है. I feel so bad that I'm leaving. Bhaiya almost banged me. I have to go back because I have a very busy day at work tomorrow. And I always say work is priority. My God. चलो भैया. Sorry आपको इतना time पीछे रखा. OTP हमेशा भूल जाता है. Let's go. कैसा भैया सब बढ़िया?
आप बताओ.
आपका नाम?
विवेक.
थोड़ा हेलो बोला सबको.
हाय हेलो.
Yes. Vivek. Namaste. Very good. Okay भैया, thank you so much. एक बार कैमरा के लिए पीटर डायस रिपोर्टिंग बोलो. Peter Dias reporting. Thank you so much. See you. Sweet fellow. I was telling him about my story yesterday, and he was very sad. He kept telling me one thing is that I hope you get your money back. And guys, I am on it. And I'll also update you once I get my money back and I can pay everybody, because I really felt very sad that he cheated us, and he's saying he's gonna pay me, but I felt sad because after seeing their face, they were all very upset because they all were very excited to come for the event, but they're going to go tomorrow, and I'm glad they are staying back. Now it's time to search for what I have to search. Oh, I have to search for this thing. Which gate I have to go through? I'll check now. So I have to go to gate number 4. And I'm already at gate number 4. You know, at times I always think that vlogging in Mumbai is very easy, but no matter how many times I vlog in Mumbai, the moment I turn the camera, all eyes on me. Like I always think it is normal here and every second person vlogs or whatever. But everybody just stares all the time. आता तुमका horror सांगू माका lost दिसता पण nobody knows me here, so I'll just vlog and show off myself like. So now I'm standing in line to check in. My friend is also coming with me back to Goa. He's already inside waiting. Everywhere I go, I have a friend waiting. That doesn't mean I'm late. I go on time. They go early sometimes. Just got done with my check-in. Now I have to go down and I have to go to gate 41. We have approx more than an hour. So I hope there are some places where I can go down, shop for something. I won't have donuts and take donuts back, because Shreya said if you're coming back, get donuts and come. Na zala Rionaka place. And you know how it is. I think the next time we travel, that is going to be soon, is to a new place. Yeah, guys, traveling. I'm tired. What to tell you? Wrong side. Wow. Wrong side. I thought only one time access. I want to tell you guys, horn below, man. I got scared. I think even he got scared. So I checked in, everything done. Now I'm going to search for donuts. Airport is quite busy today. I hope there's Tim Hortons somewhere here. Or else, like I said, he won't let the plane land. Brownie. Nah, I don't want brownie this time. But I think I should have a cupcake, maybe you think, guys. No, I think a donut will be better. I'm actually searching for Tim Hortons everywhere, but I can't find it. There's everything else besides Tim Hortons. Actually, not Tim Hortons anywhere. Kahan fas gaya main, guys? So I just came to the food court to search for Tim Hortons, but I don't think we have Tim Hortons here. I'm quite surprised. I can't find it. If I ask somebody, I hope they help me at least. Even if you take the easy way, make sure you are doing it the right way. Thank you. So I ordered hot chocolate. So because I have like around 1 hour maybe, I told you, yeah. So I'll have hot chocolate till then. Peace out. I'm very tired. I'm actually tired. My hair and I look lost at the same time. Like I look so shabby at the moment. Time to go back home. Back to reality. Maybe this time Coldplay wasn't in my luck, but maybe next time or someday we will be there, guys. No worries. Be happy. Alright guys, it's the end of this video and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Hit the like button, do share it with your friends and family and subscribe to my channel. Peter is signing off. All mokes for your and the next vlog we are traveling to another place, a new place. So stay tuned.